All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. For those of you waiting on the Ranger build, we've been waiting on a few parts, and that's starting to come together, so we should be back on that pretty soon. But for today, we picked something up at the old Harbor Freight, and we needed a little jack here at our little garage. Anyways, so we went down there, picked up their little Daytona 3-ton jack, and we're going to test it out, and we're going to find out if it's a piece of crap or not. I'm guessing not, but we're going to find out. Let's go. That's pretty.
Very good packaging. Very good packaging.
Yeah. It's got a...
I like the start.
Yeah, it's got like an average box. Okay, so we got the handle there. I'm assuming that it just snaps together. I don't know, maybe. Oh, look at this, guys. Owner's manual, safety instructions. Let's just send that to the wind, my friend. Okay. Let's see where he's getting that handle going. Go ahead and undress the jack here. Oh, nice. I thought it was gonna be more of a neon orange, but I like that color. It's kind of like a,
Oh, gee.
like a little bit of a burnt orange, maybe. I like it. So what she weighs about 79 pounds, I believe. Low profile. What's the lift height on that? About 19 inches, close to 20 inches of lift height.
19.78.
Let me zoom in on those specs real quick, just so everybody can see. And we're gonna see what happens. Now, of course, I didn't read the instructions, but we're gonna assume that she came ready to rock. This little member's got to come out. Tighten the handle down. Oh, look at that. Look at that sweet action. Nice.
Double piston.
It's a rapid pump, dual piston design. Okay, that's about maxed out. I should get the tape measure out and see if it's true. I'll do that afterwards. It's close. Okay. You know what? Let's drop her down. Quick. Looking good. All right, just real quick, we went ahead and...
Is it 7/8?
Gosh, I mean, I don't know. It's close. It's around 20. It's good. Good to go. All right. Now here's the thing. Everybody else that tests these jacks out, we know there's you know, several videos out there, whatever. Always in a shop, concrete floor. Well, you know what? That's not always how it works. So let's go first use. Let's do it out here on the uneven gravel. Throw it under this car that's dang near sitting inside the ground. But yeah, she's like, I mean, these old Oldsmobiles are like 4 inches off the ground.
Maybe 6.5.
Not where you get under the frame, but anyways, 4 or 5 inches off the ground. So let's do it the right way, shall we? Uneven ground, keep it safe. Everybody stay safe out there. Okay, look at that. Even with a short throw, we're not able to go all the way back because of this table, and it's doing just fine. Not too shabby. Look at that, off the ground. Huh? You want to go 20? Yeah.
Over.
Let's flip this car over, huh? Let's see what happens.
It's gonna die anyway.
Yeah.
I can feel it.
Oh no. Look at that. Look at this jack starting to just teeter-totter just a little bit here on this uneven ground. I'm telling you folks, joking aside, out here in the gravel and stuff, and even inside the shop, you know, let's use jack stands when available. Keep it safe.
It's coming off the ground back.
Yeah. Oh, is it coming off the ground?
Yeah.
What do you got leaking in there, dude? Hey, look at that. We just found a leak. Yeah. What is that?
Looks like water.
Yeah. Well, this was actually useful. Look at that. It is. It's tipping this car over. Oh, it's still rising. Look at that. Dude, that tire over there is coming off the ground almost. Oh, this is great. This is good. This is good. All right, I think we're pretty close. We're pretty close. Oh, go down. Yeah, there you go. Let her down. Easy, easy, easy. Okay, you're good. It was starting to slip off there. Go ahead and take her down. All the way down. Let's see if the tire sits on the jack, shall we? Oh, yeah. Well, that is just amazing. Well, I guess we got to figure out what that little drip was. So this wasn't just for fun, apparently. We'll be using this here in a few minutes again. That was a little bit scary, and that's exactly why no one should be under a vehicle without jack stands. You've seen it move a little bit on us there, and it's getting a little bit iffy. So I don't know. Super safe, guys. Like we're the example. Keep it safe. Okay. Yeah, let's go find where this leak is. Well, everybody, after our initial little test there, you can see it worked great, and it's all scraped up and dirty and everything, just like I like it. Anywho, I guess the only downfall, like Austin pointed out, is the sticker starts coming off already, right? He said that sticker's already coming off. Well, that's just not going to work for us. No. Yeah. Anyways, I guess, you know, we paid like $144, whatever it was for it. Just a nice, inexpensive jack. And of course, everybody knows it was designed after the Snap-on brand or whatever. Big lawsuit, yada, yada, yada. But I'd say they did a pretty good job for the money. She seems to do really good on our initial test. We'll find out later how well that's going to hold up. But anyways, so I go ahead and buy one. If I were you guys, for the money, you can't beat it. For your even a spare jack, or maybe even if it's your only jack, initially I'd say let's go ahead and do it. It seems pretty good. So definitely not a piece of crap. I definitely would buy one. You can't go wrong. Like 150 bucks, you know. Anyways, if you liked it, like this video, subscribe to us if you could. Be great. Anyways, we'll catch you next time, hopefully pretty soon on the Ranger, coming back. All right, it's all about balance, Danielson. No crane kick. Just hold the pose. Do it. Do it. Oh, almost had it. Bingo. Down she goes.